Hey guys, Mubarak here of Invest HQ and IPS. Thanks for checking out the video. Now in this video, we're going to be covering another cryptocurrency exchange. And one of the best ones out there at the moment is GDAX. Now this is also owned by Coinbase. However, it's more of a professional level trader, but don't be intimidated by that. Even if you're an individual investor trading with $50, and this is the first video you've ever heard of about Bitcoin, I'm going to show you in this video kind of how you can use it in future modules of the course. You're going to see how you can actually trade with it and profit using this exchange. So don't be intimidated by it. The best part about this exchange is the fees. It is much lower than the competition and what's out there. Okay, that's the best part. These fees are extremely low compared to other exchanges, like even its partner exchange, Coinbase, that owns this company, owns this platform, has higher fees on it. So definitely say, okay, it's only 0.25%. That's very low compared to other exchanges. So that's a great way to kind of make sure that you're saving money, because we're here to make money. So we're trying to keep our costs as low as possible, our profits as high as possible, and our revenue as high as possible. So let's make sure that we're keeping everything in order. That's why this one really takes a good edge. And they have so much documentation. It's a really, really great platform. You can view the exchange. Let's check it out. See, it shows you even the back end of it. All right. And I want to talk about certain kind of modules. We're going to go more in depth about it in future videos, but just this order book is a interesting concept. For those of you who haven't been exposed to any type of exchange in the past, this is a very interesting concept, because the order book really it's how you can really tell who's buying and selling these Bitcoins, how much and how many, right? And you can see the rate. And really, if you start understanding, how this order book works, it's almost like a push and pull, right? You have people buying and people selling. And the order book is literally when people put in their transactions and put in how much they want to buy or how much they want to sell, that gets calculated here, and that really influences the whole price of the currency. And it works the same with the stock market, and really with any exchange. It's all controlled by this very platform. So I want to go over just some quick concepts here that are very important. You got three options here: either market, limit, and stop. And I'll just quickly go over them. Market order means that when you say you want to buy 1 Bitcoin, and you enter 1 Bitcoin in here, or I guess you put in how much US dollars you're willing to put in, and it'll tell you here how much Bitcoin that comes out to. If you put in this buy order, right, what's going to happen all of a sudden is it's going to get put into this order book and just executed at the fastest rate possible. Now that might sound attractive, but it's a little risky, because the reason it's risky is because it's just going to try and fill the order as fast as possible for something that matches what you're putting out there, right, with this order book. Now the issue with that is that it's possible that, say Bitcoin is trading at, let's just hypothetically say 14,000, right? I just want to make this simple. Okay, let's use the information we have. Say it's trading at this amount, 13,800 about. But say it was very volatile and it was going up in price, and there wasn't that much on the market order book right now. If you were to put in a market order, it's possible that your order might get put at $14,000, right? More realistically, probably like 13,810. But really, that's unacceptable. You need to be a smart investor. You can't just throw your money willy-nilly. You need to have a specific amount that you're going to buy it at. That's going to make the cost efficient, and that's what a limit order is. A limit order allows you to put the exact total amount that you will are willing to pay for that currency, right? So right now we know Bitcoin is selling for this much, 13,785. See, that was just a $15 jump within seconds. This is one of the most volatile markets out there, right? And if you put in that market order, right, you would have probably lost $15 in seconds, because it would have filled it at that price and then it would have gone low. But now, because we watch the market and we're watching this and trying to understand it, we know how to make these adjustments. And you can see, right, this is almost here I mean, once you get a membership, you can actually see more of the way it works, but you can tell that this is about to pretty much go down in price because there's less people buying it. This bar chart on the left, right, is all the orders being executed at a certain rate, and that's going to influence the price of whether it's going up and down. And really taking some time to understand this order book is great. We're going to have some specific videos that go more into it, but in the stock market, this concept is called level 2, and that's kind of like you can tell which way the market is about to move. And so that's how you can almost tell how to buy and sell stocks, at what point. And same thing with altcoins. Any currency on an exchange, there's a process to it, right? And we're going to teach you all about that. Right here is what you see, all the technical analysis that'll come in, right? Reading charts. That's what comes in here. And we're going to talk about all the different kind of ways to read these. But essentially, it's just a price chart, just price history. But there's so many features here that you can see. Don't let it be intimidating to you. We're going to go through it, and it's really just as efficient, right? You can keep track of your orders here. There's a trade history for your past and also the other transactions that are going on of, what's actually been executed and at what price. This is also important to keep an eye on because then you can tell, what direction the altcoin or the Bitcoin is going to move in. So hope that helped a lot. One of the other things I want to bring your attention to with these exchanges is that you can buy Bitcoin or Litecoin or, Ethereum for more than just US dollars. You're not limited to just buying it for the currency that you have. You can actually do exchanges of one cryptocurrency to another, and that's a really important part of the current kind of crypto market that's going out there on the ecosystem, is that's what people are doing. You're able to trade a Bitcoin into an Ethereum or an Ethereum into a Bitcoin, and there's exchange amounts. So that's why it's been a little complicated, but we're going to break it down for you guys. We're really going to go in depth about, how you can make money with these platforms. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. In the next one, we're going to also review another platform as well. So I'll see you guys there. Take care.